Video we're going to look at icons again, but this time what we're looking at is icon transparency. So you can see we've got two icons on screen at the moment. The first one is solid, whereas this one is acting in the background. So we've sent it to the back with our layering, but we've also made it slightly transparent so that it doesn't distract from the page content. To adjust this transparency with the icon selected, either under fill or line depending on the type of icon, you're looking for this transparency slider here. If we change the color to a nice red so we can see it easy, you can see it's kind of faded because it's at 56. If we drag it to increase that number, it becomes more transparent. If we drag it to the left to reduce that number, it becomes less transparent before it becomes solid again. If you're not sure what one you need, go to the template file that you've got. So say for example this was it, select an icon that's already in the background, click on it and see what transparency level it's been set to, as well as keeping an eye on the color it's been set to as well. So in this example it's currently set to 60%. It would be a good idea to match any future slides to the same transparency setting. With this icon on the left here, you have the same option, but this time it's not under fill, it's under line, because this is a line icon, and you can see here color for the line as well as transparency there. The other useful thing with line based ones is you can actually change the width of the line as well. So you can see here at the moment it's 5.6, but we can increase that and you can see the line gets bolder as that increases, or again decrease it as needed. So if we bring it right down, that icon becomes a lot thinner. Again, if you're not sure which ones you need, is go to an existing template or page within the presentation that has one of these, select an existing one and it will show you what setting the line is at the moment. Keep in mind however the different sizes, a different width for the line might be more appropriate depending on how big it is. In that example here that one might be okay, but if we bring the icon up in size without necessarily increasing the thickness of the line, it may not look quite right. So what you might need to do is for larger ones is just bunch that width point up a bit to get it to look in proportion to the other icons within the presentation.